see on the junction cam, that's as a result of the weather that had come through, the rain that had come through. And we're at 55 degrees, calm winds with the humidity at 82%. So it feels really humid out there, even though we're only at 55. And this is going to be repeated throughout Northeast Mississippi. Look at that. We're at 59 in Aberdeen and Columbus, 55 in West Point and here in Stark Vegas, as well as in Winona. So mainly low to mid 50s throughout our area. And then look at Stark Vegas. We're in a marginal risk for severe weather. Now, here's the significance of it. We were in a slight risk at this point yesterday, but we aren't going to be in the enhanced risk. Places like Jackson or Vicksburg, they are going to be an enhanced risk. So if you're heading down to either of those two places tonight, make sure you be weather aware for high winds, large hail, and there's a possibility of a brief spin-up tornado in those areas. Can't rule out a tornadoes for our southwestern counties. Places like Louisville or Ackerman will start to possibly see some of that severe weather as well, but for here in town, this shouldn't be that much of a threat. Anyways, Friday at 11 a.m., we did have a lot of that rain come through our area, and at 5 o'clock, look at where it's going to be now. It's going to be in parts of southeastern Arkansas as well as northwest Mississippi is where a lot of the rain's going to be. And then moving on at 9 o'clock, that's when the main line of storms is going to be in the Golden Triangle and throughout parts of northeast Mississippi. Places like Ackerman are going to start to see some heavy rain as well, and that's going to be something we're going to watch to see if there are any strong storms that are going to develop on Friday night. That's why they've moved the baseball game to tomorrow at noon as part of a doubleheader. Now, Saturday at 7 a.m., it's going to be really cloudy, and I think it's going to be cooler than average, but it won't necessarily be the 50s like what a lot of these models are predicting, and I'll talk about why in a bit. But for right now, we're at 52 degrees with some storms early on and some cloudy skies late. And that's because the southeasterly wind is going to drive that moisture into the atmosphere and create those chances of storms ahead of the cold front that's going to move through. And then looking into tomorrow, we are going to get to 63. It'll be below average, but it'll be a beautiful day because a lot of these people are saying it's going to be some cloudy skies. I think we're going to get a few peaks of sunshine, and that will warm the air up and warm the atmosphere up to 63 degrees. A lot of people are saying mid-50s, but I'm going with 63 because of the possibility of a few peaks of sunshine throughout our area. Anyways, 63 degrees tomorrow for a high, 52 for the low tonight. It'll be wet and dreary all day today, and it'll be just a beautiful day on Saturday. Moving on through the rest of your 7-day forecast, it'll be a nice one with temperatures in the 60s throughout, and Sunday is the coolest day at 60 degrees under those sunny skies.